13 and today's video is going to be a super duper super special, it's like a super special video. Like, it's super special. I've been working on Pinkice13 cosmetics. Without further ado, make sure to subscribe down below by hitting that red subscribe button, make it gray, hit that like button, and make sure to share this video with your friends and family so that way we can make not just the Pinkice family grow, like YouTube wise, cosmetic wise too. And I came out with this cosmetics line. So when I was thinking of the name, I was like, let's just make it Pinkice13. It's my name, it's like my baby, you know? Like, I started Pinkice13 2015. She was born 4 years ago, November 28th. And I'm like, let's just continue on with the name. Let's just make her grow. Okay, so I wanted to cut the clip for a quick minute just to talk about them a bit. They're made with coconut oil and beeswax, and the ingredients to add the color are 100% vegan, cruelty-free, which would make my lip balms vegetarian since they do have beeswax. I will be selling each lip balm at $3. Each container is 3 grams, and I hand drew the logo myself. PI13 stands for Pinkice13. They're super hydrating. They give your beautiful smile a nice sheen with a subtle pop of color. I will be selling my lip balms through Etsy.com. I will be taking international orders outside of the United States. So like I was saying in the audio clip just now, I will be selling my products on Etsy.com. There will be a description down below so that way you could like access it easier, like directly it takes you to my page. But if you go on like any search engine like Google or Safari, go on Etsy.com, ETSY.com, and then you could do like a slash and then a PINKICE13, Pinkice13, Etsy.com/Pinkice13, or you could directly just go on Etsy.com, and then once you're on the web page, there should be like a little search engine bar, and then you could just type in the Etsy search bar Pinkice13. Once again, PINKICE13 right here. And yeah, that's where you could find my products. Maybe in the near future, I might sell somewhere else too, or make my own webpage, but for now, I'm just doing Etsy. Make sure to check in the date I posted this video, hit on my face, see if there's any more updates, because who knows, maybe you're watching this video 2 years later and I'm over here with my own webpage or like on some other stores, so yeah. So my first shade is this one right here. It's called Best Friend. It's shade number 1. See, it's a clear shade. This is a 3 grams jar. I haven't restocked, like I literally sold out. Like I literally sold out with just selling to friends and families and like co-workers and all that. So yeah. The logo, I actually hand drew the logo myself. I took a picture of it and got my stickers printed and boosh. But since, okay, so in my original bottles, you see like the little like black line here because my jars were too small, because I believe my stickers are 1.5 inches and these jars are just 1 inch, I believe, 1 by 1. But this is my cute little jar. I apply it straight on my lips like this. But of course, you could apply it with your fingers like this. This was actually my first one that I kept to myself. I'm gonna keep this jar forever. I could literally smell like honey because since they are made with beeswax, like I could literally smell the honey right now. And the coconut oil makes the application so smooth. Like, I don't know if the camera's picking it up or not, but like literally my lips are, they're like shiny. Like literally like a very subtle lip gloss, like sheen, you know? Like the way my lips feel, it feels like I literally just put like straight butter on my lips. Not like that greasy either, but you know what I'm talking about. I don't really know all these like lip balm terminology words and all that. So like, I'm sorry if I maybe describe my product like in a really weird way. It's called best friend. It's #1 because you know everybody has their best friend. You know, the best friend that you could always count on. And well, this lip balm is your lip balm best friend.
So make sure your lips stay looking poppin'. We don't want no crusty lips. We don't want no chapped lips. And yeah.
Tried doing that little cute intro scene, but I guess not. So shade #2 is like a mauve shade. I want you to keep in mind these are sheer lip tints. Okay, so don't expect like a full lipstick like colorage. Colorage, is that the word? I don't think that's the word, but you know what I mean.
So since this was my first batch, yes, it was a trial error. There was a lot that I had to like, you know, throw out. You know, that's how you start a business. You gotta like test out the water, like dip your toes in the waters and see like how it goes, trial and error and all that. But now that I know what works, what doesn't work, what I gotta improve on, I promise you this formula will have more like colorage, we could say. But yes, this is how shade #2 looks like. And well, this formula, but the next formula, it's gonna be revamped. So expect more color.
And shade #2 is called So okay, I know that's like a weird name to call a lip balm. It's E 5 times E. So I chose E because when I was looking at this color, I was like, this color, I would use this color like my everyday color. And an everyday word of mine, if you know me in real life, is I know, weird, right? But hey, I was thinking of how I could describe my lip balms. I was comparing it to like a body butter, but for your lips. Like as soon as you apply it, it's like, it's so creamy. You could just like spend hours like applying, like you know how body butter, it's like so creamy. You could just like massage it on your legs and you're like, I don't want to stop putting this on. Like the feeling of it is like that. Like so creamy, so like a nice oily, you know. I don't know how to explain it correctly, but that's how my lip balms are to me. And no, my lip balms are not scented, but I'm working very, very hard to try to find the perfect scent. And yes, I will be doing international orders. As long as you live here, you could get this product.
Guys, I got a ring light, and now you guys could see the difference with lip balm, without lip balm. I'm so excited, guys. I finally got a ring light and you guys could actually see what I'm talking about. Like, for example, when I have a product to show you guys and I gotta show you like my blemishes up close, or I gotta show you guys how like an eyeshadow is looking. Now you guys could see it like if you were right in front of me, and yeah, you guys could see what I'm talking about. This ring light has been long needed, especially as a beauty influencer, so you guys could see exactly what I'm talking about. But with all that being said, I'm really excited of starting this new
journey. Pinkice13 Cosmetics starting off 2020 strong. So yeah, okay, so I can't wait to add so many things to the shop. I want to add slime. I want to add, well, slime isn't a cosmetics, but like it's fun, you know. I want to add lip scrubs. I want to add cream blush. I've been looking at all these fun recipes to add. I've even seen like makeup remover, like natural makeup remover recipes where I'm like, oh my god, I so gotta share this with the world, you know? And I'm so excited. I hope you help and support my YouTube channel, and not just my YouTube channel now, my cosmetics line! Pinkice13 Cosmetics. Coming soon to Ulta Beauty. Oh my god, can you imagine? I really strive to make my products the cheapest possible for girls like me and you who are balling on a budget, or who don't rely on their parents, you know, or budgeting moms, like, or even like older ladies who have to live on a retirement check. Like, I want to make this makeup line safe, you know, like organic, natural materials, something that's good to put on your skin, that's healthy, like ingredients that you can actually know how to read, ingredients that
are Googleable and you could just get at Walmart, you know? Like, I don't want to add like weird ingredients that you guys are like, what am I putting on my face, you know? It's like, I want to make products with ingredients that you feel safe with putting on your skin, you know, and for a super cheap price, because girl, I know how it is walking into Ulta and Sephora and seeing everything and you're like, I want that, I want that, I want that, I want that, and but then you're like doing your math and you're like, I don't want this anymore. So oh my god, I can't wait. I hope you guys and God, of course God mainly, like blesses this cosmetics line, blesses my channel, and see it grow one day. Let's see where this takes me. So I can't wait to see your guys' reviews, your guys' comments on it, and share this video with your friends and family to make the cosmetics line grow. Now it's not just so you guys could see my channel grow. Now it's like so you guys can help my cosmetics line grow too. That's another thing of mine. It's like grow on my videos. So yeah, I'm so very, very excited, and see you guys very, very soon in the next video. God bless you. Bye.